If you're a UX or product designer using Figma, then you definitely want to see this new AI agent. So UX Pilot just released a new AI agent called Nodey that can help you design directly in Figma. Unlike Cloud Design or Google Stitch, this AI actually lives where you already work, uses what you already built, and really speeds up the whole iteration and exploration process. For example, it can help you create a whole UI kit simply from a web URL, and it will generate all the design components and foundational styles that can be found from the website. And then you can make use of those components to create a totally different website or mobile app. You can also use a design system you already have and take it to generate screens for your web or mobile app. In this video, I'm going to take UX Pilot Agent for a test and show how it integrates into your daily workflow. Let's get into it. To get started with this Figma plugin, you simply need to sign up for a free account at uxpilot.ai. And then in UX Pilot dashboard, click the Figma plugin option and you will be directed to the plugins page. You can run it on an existing design or choose to save the plugin. Next, I'm going to create a new Figma design file and then I'm going to run the plugin from here. Right-click on an empty space to show the context menu, then select Plugins. If you saved the plugin before, you should see it here, and if not, you can go to Manage Plugins and you can search for the plugin. Here it is. You will need to log into your UX Pilot account and then you will see this chat screen where you can interact with Nodey, the UX Pilot AI agent. This is where you can ask the agent to generate UI kit and design apps for you. First, I will ask it to generate a UI kit, so let's click this prompt and then I will simply change the URL here. I want the AI to generate a UI kit based on Shadcyan UI. It is a popular set of beautifully designed components that you can use as a foundation for your design system. I will simply copy the URL here and then add the URL to the prompt, then submit it. Nodey will work on the request to generate the UI kit, the foundation style, the core components, and the layout. After a few minutes, the UI kit has been created here. We can see the style guides for Shadcyan UI, such as color palette, typography, spacing, border radius, and so on. There is also the core components like buttons. There are several styles here, also inputs, badges, and then checkboxes and radio. Finally, there are more layout components like cards. There are 3 examples here, and then tabs, also dialog or modal, and then accordion and drop-down menu. Alright, it seems to be going well. Now I'm going to use these design components and style guides. So back in the plugin, I will enable the option to use my components. This will use the style and components from this file. Once the components are synced, the next step is to ask the AI to use the generated UI kit to create the user flow for Nova, a small business asset and inventory tracker desktop application. Submit this prompt and the AI will start formulating the plan. It will analyze the generated UI kit and then generate the screens. Alright, the screens are now generated, so let's take a closer look. Zoom in and move the plugin window away. Here's the main dashboard UI showing charts and metrics, and then the inventory page showing items in a table. Next, the inventory detail showing stocks, total value, and supplier data, and then the add new asset form where we can add a new asset. So the AI managed to pull components and styles from the design system and not hallucinating random button styles. You can generate high-fidelity designs without ever leaving Figma. If you want to try this out for free, the link is in the description below. But for now, if you want to create another screen, you can absolutely do it. Just open the plugin again. Any frame selected in the file will show up as attachments, as you can see here. Now we can ask Nodey to create the dark theme version of the dashboard page. Submit the prompt. And after a minute or so, here's the dark version of the dashboard page. Next, if you want to create the mobile app version from existing design, you can do that too. First, select the screen frames generated by Nodey. And with the 4 frames selected, let's just say, design the mobile app version of the selected screens. Let the AI work on the request. It will generate the screens one by one. I will skip a bit here, and here are the results. Let's take a closer look, close the plugin window, and then zoom into the screen. We can see the mobile dashboard and inventory screens. The elements are stacked vertically here, and there is a navigation menu at the bottom. And then we can see the asset detail screen, back and menu buttons at the top, as well as the add new asset screen here. Alright, so that's how you can use Nodey to generate app designs directly in Figma. You can use it to generate UI kit first, and then use the components to generate your web and mobile apps. And if you already have a design system, you can simply enable the Use My Component option, then send a prompt telling the AI what you want to create. All of this happens inside Figma, so you can jump in and refine the designs, adjust the layouts, spacing, shapes, and frames, or build the prototype using all the tools you already know. Now, you might be thinking, how does UX Pilot AI compare to other AI tools like Cloud Design or Stitch? Well, Cloud Design is a design tool released by Anthropic, the company behind Cloud AI. It's capable of generating a design system from your code base and then use it to generate new designs for you. However, the design result is an HTML file instead of vector-based design like Figma. It looks awesome, but it also skips an important step. Usually, I want to start with structure first, define the architecture using groups and auto layouts, use my components, and decide where the user's eye should go first. If you want to adjust the design properly, you still need to bring it into Figma. And currently, there's no direct way to export this into Figma as editable designs. So, Cloud Design is powerful, but it doesn't quite fit into your typical design workflow. Next, Stitch is a design tool developed by Google. It can import design systems and then generate UI kit and design plan. But I don't think the result is as detailed as Nodey. You can then generate your app designs with AI and ask it to improve the designs in any way you want. However, Stitch is missing the sharp editing tools of Figma. It just focuses on using AI to generate screens, create prototypes, and explore variations. If you want to refine the results manually, you have to export the design to Figma. In conclusion, if you're a designer who used Figma a lot, then Nodey is the best choice between the three design tools. Cloud Design works great if you're already invested in the cloud ecosystem to build your apps. However, the tool generates HTML files and you don't get the same level of precise hands-on vector editing tools you'd have in Figma. I think the tool is more suited for a developer who wants to build an idea quickly rather than a designer who wants to explore and discover solutions to specific problems. And while Google Stitch works fine for exploration, you still need to export the result to Figma so that you can refine it, finalize the design, and integrate it with the rest of your design libraries. On the other hand, Nodey sits right inside Figma. It's able to reuse your design systems and components to really speed up your workflow. If staying in Figma and using your design system matters to you, then really there is no competition. You can try out the plugin for free today. The link is in the description. Thanks again for watching until the end. I hope this video is useful, and until next time.